Welcome to the 360 Mobile Website Solutions Trading video series. This is going to be a sit-down presentation. If I'm in a restaurant, auto repair, association, attorneys, churches, wherever, and it's going to be basically a 3-minute presentation, and there's going to be some longer ones follow. This is going to be kind of a non-resistant, simple presentation with the basic facts, which you saw earlier when we were standing up. Now, Walt, glad we can take a couple of minutes again.
Jeff, how are you?
I'm doing good, doing real well. And the reason why I came by, Walt, was this. You know how a lot of people nowadays go and use their phone, iPads, and tablets to surf the web?
Sure.
When websites come up there, they look kind of funny because they're real small and kind of blown up a little bit.
Right.
And what happens is, when I went to your website, Walt, this is what came up right here.
Oh.
This is kind of like a thing I got to sit there and blow it all up and play with it.
Uh-huh.
See, but if I go to a mobile website, something like this, you can see how simple this is. It has a click to call button,
Wow.
services, and so forth. So what I'm going to do is take just a minute and let you take a look at what this is all about.
Okay.
See, the company is a company called 360 Mobile Website Solutions. And what they'll do, Walt, they'll build you a mobile website with the same look and feel of your desktop.
Oh.
For example, like here's the Tallahassee Bar Association. That's their desktop. This is the mobile we do for them.
Got it.
See how similar they are?
Yes.
Now, back down here, this is going to be ready for you within just 10 business days. All the content's already in your desktop.
Okay.
So it's very simple. And your customers, they're going to love you for this, Walt. And otherwise, too, is people increase their consumer traffic by up to 85% more by having a mobile website. I know if somebody had a mobile website, a restaurant like yours, I'm going to bookmark it.
Yeah.
Where y'all want to eat at? I'm going to go to my bookmarks of my 4 or 5 restaurants on my phone. Later, every restaurant's going to have them. So you kind of get ahead of the game here,
Sure.
and it works simple. Customers on any mobile device, iPads, tablets, smartphones, are redirected to your mobile website, and it's just a little code we put into the desktop. It's behind the scenes, nobody sees it, but it automatically goes there. Now, Walt, we have 3 different levels. We have a silver level and a gold and a platinum. Now, the silver level is your base one, that's all you need, really. That's a one-time $595 cost per setup, check or credit card, and we're going to have all the pictures, your menus, catering, all the different things you want. We're going to have auto repair, maintenance, brakes, your specialties on here. We're going to have family law. We're going to have personal injury attorneys, all your different areas of practice you have on here.
I see.
Well, this is going to have something for all your association, all your members. It's very easy to interact and put in whatever deal or industry you're dealing with. Now, back to the original thing. $595 one-time cost for silver level. That will give you a base one. We'll put a map in there. There's even a button down here at the bottom that says desktop or mobile, so they can go to your mobile site too. Now, if you want a customized site, that's called our gold level. That's a one-time $895 cost. Again, it's going to be a deeper site with more custom features. Now, bottom line is something like this. I go to your website on my phone. This is a base silver level. I click on services. It takes me to this level and it shows different features. I say, what's underground drainage? What does this show about the brakes, whatever? I can click on it, it can show pictures from off your desktop. A customized site, you can see the details. And the bottom line on something like this, Walt, which would your customers prefer? Going to something like that or one like this?
Absolutely.
And see, here's the thing, even on the phone, look at the detail part. Now I'm going to use it with the phone without the sheets. And Walt, which would people prefer? One like this or one like that? Do you see the difference?
What a difference, yeah.
Yeah. And everything runs month to month. We'll even host, maintain, and update the site for just $49 a month.
Great.
And that includes, if you got your specials and holiday seasons and other things, we'll have it in for 48 to 72 hours later. Just email it to us and we put what you want in there. Okay. Now, Walt, to put this together for you, all I do is get a little background information down here. And what's the address here at the restaurant?
399.
Okay. Now, under the company, it's going to be Griffin Seafood. Okay. Now, I got down under yourself. Okay. And what's the best phone number for you, Walt? And then you're going to go through that way and fill out the invoice. Now, if they have rebuttals, we're going to cover that in just a minute. But again, it's going to be the same thing. I'm going to do a little bottom line deal here. Is when I go to do it, he might say, well, Jeff, this looks good. Can I think about it? Well, the best time to think about it is right now where the facts are very clear. Or I can't afford it. And they really can't afford to be without it. So we're going to cover that in detail. But the bottom line is you only close twice with our company. Close them. They say a rebuttal. You answer it and close again. We're not going to pressure them, but they do need to have this.